Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 4 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 maths. Click on view all lessons and here is the list of the lessons we're going to start with. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement. And the lesson we are going to cover from the chapter unit of the measurement is convert mixed customary units. Then we'll do the final test. Then we're going to start with a new chapter, that is time. And from the chapter time, we are going to cover the lessons. They are convert time units, add and subtract mixed units, and the last one is fractions of time units. Got it? Okay, let's start with the first lesson. Let me write down the lesson name on board and then we'll start with the topic. Convert mixed customary units. Okay, the lesson name is convert mixed customary units. Okay, so let's start with the lesson. Okay, I'm on grade 4 maths. The chapter name is unit of measurement. Here is the list of the lesson. Here is the lesson name, that is convert mixed customary unit. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, this first one is 6 gallon and 1 quart. So you have to convert it to the quart. Got it? 6 gallon and 1 quart. So 6 quart, you have to write the answer in quarts. Got it? So first of all, you have to convert from the gallons to quarts. So first just convert this 6 gallon. Got it? So we know that in 1 gallon you have 4 quarts. Got it? So how many gallons in 6 quarts? You have to do 6 times 4. Got it? So 6 times 4 is, you have 24 gallons. Sorry, you have to 24 quarts because you have to multiply it 6 times 4. Got it? 6 times 4 is, you have now 64 quart and plus 1 quart. So when you add, you have to add always the same units. Got it? So 24 plus 1 is 25 quarts. That got it? That means 6 gallon and 1 quart equal 25 quarts. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? Okay, you have to convert 5 feet into yards and feet. Got it? So the next one is 5 feet equal 5 feet equal how many yards and how many feet? So we have 5 feet. So just divide. You have in 1 feet, you have 3 yards. Got it? Just divide this. 3 yards equal 1 feet. Sorry. 3 feet equal 1 yard. Got it? So just divide 5 by 3. So it would be 3 times 1 is 3 and you're left with 2. That means you have 1 yard and 2 feet. Got it? So 1 yard, 2 feet. Got it, everyone? It would be 1 yard, 2 feet. So just select the correct option, then click on the 1 and 2 is 1 yard, 2 feet is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is 8 pints. You have to convert the 8 pints to the quarts and pints. Got it? It would be 8 pints. You have to write the answer into pints and quarts. So you have, in 1 quart you have 2 pints. Got it? So divide 8 by 2. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. That means 8 pints equal 4 quarts. 4 quarts. Got it? So it would be just 4 quarts. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to 18,579 ounces to, you have to convert it into 18,579. Okay, let's just divide. 18,579 pounds equal how many tons and what is the question? 18, how many tons and how many pounds? Got it? So we know that in 1 ton you have 2,000 pounds. Got it? So just divide 18,579 by 2,000. Got it? So 9 times 2,000 is 18,000. So just do 9, you have 579. That means it is 2 tons and, sorry, 9 tons and 579 pounds left. Got it? It would be 9 and 579. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? Okay, you have 6 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon. You have to convert it into teaspoons. Got it? These are the units we have already learned in the lessons from the same chapter we did earlier. Got it? So if you have any problem with the topic, you can just find the session we did earlier from the same chapter. Just do the sessions and then start with this lesson. Got it? You have to convert it into teaspoons. Got it? So you have 3 teaspoons in equals 1 tablespoon. Got it? So you have 6 tablespoons. You have to convert it into teaspoon. So you need to do 6 times 3. Got it? It would be now teaspoon. So 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 plus 1 equals 19 teaspoons. Got it? So the correct option is 19 teaspoons. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Now let's just start with the final test of the chapter. So if you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. If you are not writing any question, I am keep moving. Got it? Okay, the next one is the final test of the chapter. Let's just start with the final test of the chapter. Okay, the first one is, which is more, 14 ounces or 1 pound? So which is the correct option? How many ounces in a pound? 1 pound equals, final test. Okay, 1 pound equal 16 ounces. So which is more, 1 pound of 14 ounces? Yes, very good. 1 pound is more than 14 ounces. Got it? Because in 1 pound you have 16 ounces. So 1 pound is more than 14 ounces. Got it? Okay, a hockey puck weighs 6 ounces. Do 2 hockey puck weigh more than 1 pound? Yes or no? 2 times 6 is the one hockey puck weighs 6 ounces. So 2 is 2 hockey puck weighs 2 times 6 ounces. Got it? 2 times 6 is Marnet. Is there any problem? 12 ounces. So 12 ounces is less than 1 pound. Got it? So the answer is no, because in 1 pound you have 16 ounces and 12 is less than 16. So it would be, the answer is no. The weight of 2 hockey is not more than 1 pound. The answer is no. Marnet, please ask the question if you have any. The answer is no. Got it? Okay, a can of soda has volume of 1 cup. Is the volume of 11 cans of soda greater than 4 quarts? So which option is the correct one? Yes or no? You don't have any question, Marnet? Okay, a can of soda has a volume of 1 cup. Is the volume of 11 cans of soda greater than 4 quarts? Basically, it's a conversion from quarts to cup. Got it? So 1 quart equal 4 cups. Got it? The answer is no, because 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 is less than 11. So the answer is no. Is the volume of 11 cans? The answer is no. Got it? Okay, 1 meter 18 centimeter plus 2 meters 7 centimeters. So which option is the correct one? 527 or 325? You have to add meters to meters and centimeters to centimeters. Got it? So 1 meter 18 centimeter. 1 meter 18 centimeter. You have to add them to 2 meter 27 centimeter. Just add up meters to meters and centimeters to centimeters. Got it? It would be 8 plus 7 is 15. 2, 3 and 4, it would be 45 centimeters. And 2 plus 1 is 3. It would be 3 meters 45 centimeters. Got it? Please write the answer just once, because way some of the messages can be skipped, because I have to focus on the board, not on the reading messages. So please write the message just once. Okay, move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inches. If you write the answer just once, I can read your answer. Okay, the line is about how long? Yes, very good. It is just 1 inches long. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, convert 1 centimeter equals how many millimeters? 1 centimeter equal how many millimeters? Is it 10 or is it 5? 1 centimeter equals 5. Isn't it 10 millimeters? Are you sure it is 5? Because I am not. It is 1 centimeter equals not 5, it is 10. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter, not 5. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. Got it? Okay, 1 meter equals how many millimeters? Meter is a bigger unit. So in 1 meter, how many meters do we have? 1 meter equal 1000 millimeters. Got it? Yes, it is. It was 10. Okay, which is a better estimate for the weight of a fire truck? 13 tons or 13 ounces? Which option is the correct one? The weight of a fire truck? It would be 13 tons. Got it? The weight of the, because ounces is a smaller unit, it would be 13 tons. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just start with the new chapter. The new chapter we're going to start with is time. Got it? The new chapter we're going to start with is time. And the lesson we're, sorry. Okay, the lesson we're going to start with is convert time units. Oh, you're on grade 4 maths. The chapter is time. Here is the chapter time, and the lesson name is convert time units. Okay, let's start with the first lesson, that is convert time units. Let me just write down the lesson name. Convert okay, we have to convert the time. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, how many seconds in a minute? 45, 50, or 60? 1 minute equals how many seconds? 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Got it? Seconds is the smallest unit of the time. Got it? So 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Got it? So it is 60. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. How many minutes in an hour? 55, 60, and 25. So in 1 minute, how many, in 1 hour, how many minutes do we have? These are the basic time units. Got it? In 1 hour, we have. Please write the answer just once. Be careful, write the correct answer and just write the answer just once. In 1 hour, you have 60 minutes. Got it, everyone? In 1 hour, you have 60 minutes. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 13 months equal how many years and how many months? In 1 year, we have 12 months. Got it? Divide 37 by 12. 37 months we have to. In 1 year, you have 12 months. Got it? So you have to convert 37 months to years and months. So divide 37 by 12 because in 1 year you have 12 months. So you have 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36. So you can go for 12 times 3. So that means in 37 months, 3 years and 1 month. Got it, everyone? It would be 3 year and 1 month. So the correct option is 3 year and 1 month. select the correct option, then click on the OK button. $60 equal how many hours? 421451. 60 equals 60 equals just 1 hour. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay. 1/2 hours equal how many half hour equal to quarter hours? Okay, let me just explain. In 1 hour you have in 1 hour you have 2 half hours, and how many quarter hours? In 1 hour you have 4 quarter hours. Let me just okay, 4 quarter hours. Got it? Half hour means 30 minutes and 30 minutes. Got it? So 30 minutes plus 30 minutes makes 60. 1 hour. Got it? So these are the 2 half hours actually. Okay, quarter means 15, the fourth part of the hour. So 60 divided by 4 is 15. You have 15 minutes 4 times in an hour. Got it? So it would be 1 hour. So you have 4 quarter hours in 1 hour. Got it? Okay, so the question is you are given two, no, 2 quarter hours equal how many half hour? Two, 2 quarter hours. Makes 30 minutes. So 30 minute equals how many half hours? 30 minute equals just 1/2 hour. Got it? So the correct option is 1. Got it? Is there any problem? 2? No, it's just 1. Because 2 quarter hour means 15 plus 15. 15 plus 15 makes 30 minutes. And 30 minute equals 1/2 hour, isn't it? Is there any problem? Okay, you have to convert 2 hour 55 minutes to 2 hours 55 minutes. You have to convert it into. Okay, let me just do the question again. The question is, mm, let me just write down the question on the board again. How many half hours equal 2 quarter hour? Okay, so 1 quarter hour equals how many minutes? Please be quick, write the answers. 1 quarter hour equals 15 minutes, isn't it? So 2 quarter hour means 15 minutes and plus 15 minutes. They makes 2 quarter hours, isn't it? So 15 minutes and 15 minutes together make 30 minutes. And 30 minutes equal 1/2 hour. isn't it? Please write the yes or no. So 30 minutes equal 1/2 hour. That's how it 1/2 hour equals 2/4 hour. Got it now? Okay, good. That's how 2/4 hour equals 1/2 hour. Okay, good. Okay, now let me just move on to the next question. The next one is 2 hours 55 minutes equal how many minutes? So 2 hours and 55 minutes. 2 hours and 55. We have to convert it into minutes. Got it? How many minutes? Okay, 2 hours means in 1 hour you have 60 minutes. Got it? So in 2 hours it would be then 2 times 60 minutes, and it is already in minutes. Just add. Got it? 2 times 60 is 120, not 80, 120. 2 times 60 is 120. 120 plus 55 is 175 minutes. Got it? It would be 175 minutes. Got it? The correct option is 175. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 7 minutes 46 seconds. 7 minutes equal 7 minute 46 seconds. You have to convert it into seconds. Got it? So in 1 minute you have 60 seconds. So then in 7 minutes we have 7 times 60 seconds. Got it? And plus 46 seconds. So 7 times 60 is 7 times 6 is 42. It would be 460 plus 46. So it would be 664. It would be 466 seconds. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the. Okay, but no one is answering. Why? Is there any problem? Okay, let me just move on to the next topic, that is add and subtract mixed time units. Is there any problem? Please, if you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions if you have any. Okay, the next lesson is add and subtract mixed time units. Add and subtract mixed time units. Okay, add and subtract mixed time units. Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, 2 days 7 hours equal 1 day 7 hours. You have to add them. 2 days 7 hours and 2 days 7 hours. Let me just confirm if it is the sorry, 1 day. That is the 1 day. You have to subtract them. Sorry, not add. You always subtract the same units. You have to subtract the days out of days and hours out of hours. Got it? So 7 subtract 7 is 0 hours. 2 subtract 1 is 1 day. So you're just left with 1 day. Got it? So it would be 1 day. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, 4 hours 7 minutes plus 1 hours 39 minutes. Add hours to hours and minutes to minutes. Got it? Always add the same units. 4 hours 7 minutes. 4 hours 7 minutes, and you have to add 1 hour 39 minutes. You have to add 1 hour 39 minutes. Got it? So 9 and 7 16, 6, 1 carry 3 and 1 4, 46 minutes, and 4 plus 1 is 5. That would with 5 hours and 46 minutes. Got it? Mm, the second option is the correct one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 10 seconds plus 3 minutes 30 seconds. So which option is the correct one? Add minutes to minutes and second to second. So we don't have minutes, so just add the seconds. Keep the minutes same. It would be 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Got it? So the correct option is 3 minutes 40 seconds. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 1 week 6 days, subtract 1 week. So which is the correct option? One week 6 days, subtract 1 week equals, yes, subtract weeks to weeks and days to days. So 1 week subtract 1 week is 0, and you're just left with 6 days. Got it? Okay, 6 months plus 4 months. So 6 plus 4 is 6 plus 4 is 10. So just 10 months. Got it? Okay, 3 days, 16 hours. So which is the correct option? You have to subtract. Got it? Just subtract days to days and hours to hours. So you don't have days. So it would be 3 days, and 16 subtract 5 is 11. So it would be 3 days, 11 hours. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. And the next topic is fractions of time units. Fractions of time units. Okay, let's just start with the how many minutes are 1/5 of an hour. 1/5 of an hour we have to calculate. Basically, in 1 hour you have 60 minutes. So you have to do 1 by 5 times 60. Got it? So like you do multiplying fractions, you always multiply numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. 60 times 1 is 60 and 5 times 1 is 5. Got it? That is exactly the same like we do multiplying fractions. Got it? So divide 60 by 5. It would be then 5 times 1 is 5, 6 subtract 5 is 1, and 5 times 2 is 10. So it would be 12 minutes. That means 1/5 of an hour is 12 minutes. Got it? So the correct option is 12. 1/5 of an hour is always 12 minutes. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 5 years it what is what fraction of a decade? So how many years do we have in a decade? One decade equals 10 years. Got it? So 5 hours is what the question is 5 hours is what fraction of a decade? Then 5 divided by 10. Got it? So 5 divided by 10 is either 5 by 10 or You can divide them by a common number, that is 5. Divide them by 5, so it would be 1 over 2. So it is 5 by 10 or 1 over 2. Got it? It would be the first option, 5, 10 or 1 by 2. Got it? If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. How many decades are in 1/5 of a century? How many decades are in 1/5 of a, okay, just calculate 1/5 of a century. Century is then 100 years. Got it? 1 century means 100 years. Got it? First calculate 1/5 of a century. 1/5 of a century. You have to do 1 by 5 times 100. Got it? So 100, 100, not 1000. You have to do 100 times 1 is 100 and 5 times 1 is 5. Divide 100 by 5, it would be 20. Now you have to calculate how many days. So 20 equal 2 decades, isn't it? It would be 2 decades. Marnet, it's just 100 years, not 1000. So it would be, there are 2 decades in 1/5 of a century. Got it? It would be just 2 decades. Got it? You have to divide the number by 100. Divide this number by 100 and that would be the decades in the years you have written. Got it? How many hours in half of a day? So in one day, how many hours do we have? One day equal 24 hours. Got it? So half day means 1 by 2 times 24. Got it? 24 times 1 is 24 and 2 times 1 is 2. It would be then 12 years, 12 hours. Very good. So the correct option is 12. How many days are in 1/7 of a week? So which option is the correct one? How 13? And then see how it is 13. You have 24 hours in a day and 24 divided by 2 is 12. Okay, 1/7 of a week. So in a day, in a week, you have 7 days. So 1/7 time 7. So it would be 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 1 is 7 and it make 1. So 1/7 of a week is just 1 day. 3. How? 1/7 of a week. Week in week, just you have just 7 days. So just 1/7 of a week means just 1. Got it? 1 second is what fraction of a minute? Which is the correct option? 1 by 25 or 1 by 60? It would be just 1 over 60. How 25? In 1 minute you have 60 seconds, isn't it? So it would be just 1 over 60 because you have what second? 1 second is what fraction of a minute. So in a minute you have 60 seconds. It would be 1 over 60. Got it? Think and then answer. It's okay. Okay, 1 minute is what fraction of an hour? 7 by 60 or 1 by 60? It would be, yes, it would be 1 over 60 because in 1 hour you have 60 minutes. So it would be then 1 over 60. Very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We have started with the chapter unit of measurements. And the lessons we have covered from the unit of measurements are convert mixed customary units. Then we did the final test of the same chapter. We started the new chapter, that is the final test. That is the time. So we have covered three of the lessons. They are convert time units, add and subtract mixed time units, and fractions of the time units. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. Nancy, do the practice questions as many as you can. Then you will memorize them, because practice makes a man perfect. So do as many practice as you can. Start the lesson again. Start doing from the page one. Then that would be very easy for you. You have to memorize them. You have to keep them in your mind. Got it? Otherwise, you don't get the chapter. So that's all for today. Please click on the like button right below the video if you find this session helpful for you. So that's all for today. See you guys in the next session. Your participation is highly appreciated. Thank you for participating. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.